welcome back to Greenstone Ivy. Hope everyone's well. You can hear the forklift in the background. Everyone's working away. It's dry out there, so they're doing them jobs. It was raining this morning, so some jobs have been put to the back of the day just because we knew the weather was going to get better. The sunshine's lovely. So in this video, I just wanted to show you a piece of different stone. So I'm making a memorial stone on this piece of Cadeby Limestone. This is from Doncaster. It's only the second time I've worked with this stone. The first time I really enjoyed it, so I wanted to show you a closer look, because normally I'm working with a piece of Derbyshire grit or Northumberland Tiger, something really tight on the Derbyshire grit, and this is obviously different with it in limestone. So I thought you'd appreciate seeing a different piece of stone. This is, so the piece of stone, as always, I've got from Pete at Harry's Quarry in Ully. He's had it cut, really nice as always, it's always great. I've polished it, I've put chamfer on it, I've put a hole in it, ready for the planter. I'll put a bit more detail around that on top. I'm not going to do the same as normal where I show you the job from start to finish, because obviously it's a memorial stone. I don't want to start putting the dates and the wording and the surnames on there. I just wanted to show you it working with a few letters, simple few letters going through, just see how different it is to the Derbyshire grit. So I'm going to bring you closer, I'm going to sharpen my chisels, I'll bring you closer, and then you can see me working on this limestone. So I've finished that word up, well, I've nearly finished that word up. I just want to go around and clean it up one more time, just tickle it in, but I'll do that with all of it as I've finished the carving. My last job always is to go around one more time before I paint it and just really highlighting the corners and things and really clean it up. I'm going to mark it out now with the rest of the wording, like the surname, the dates, the words the families have picked. I don't want to put that in camera like I said before, I just want to keep that private. The video was mainly to show you the difference in the stone, and straight away when I'm carving the stone you can see the difference, like the chisel's jumping as you're hitting it on there. It's not digging in as much, the stone's not as smooth and consistent, so you've really got to pay attention. It could easily, as you're going round on the edge, on the D, you could easily get yourself a mark where it's dug in, the chisel is dug in there, and you could really get yourself in some trouble, so you've got to pay attention to that. and different patches are softer than others. So like in there's some really creamy patches, and you get into that and it's really smooth and round. But obviously, if you're not paying attention, you're hitting it the same with the hammer, the dummy hammer, you could really make a mess of things. So yeah, you've got to pay attention to it. But I think once you've got your eye in and once you're going, lovely stone to work with. I'm hoping to be doing a lot more. I've got a couple of jobs already booked in with it, so I definitely will be doing some more in with it. Yeah, so hopefully we've gained something from making this video and you watching this video if you're going to be carving on this stone. If there is any stones that you're going to be carving on and you've got any questions about, just drop it in the comment below, and if we've worked with it or we've got a job coming up in that stone, then hopefully I'll be able to make a video. So before you get carving, you'll be able to see it. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.